to Far Rockaway Beach. We're romanticizing a New York City beach day today. I love the Rockaways. They're a good time, perfect for a little day trip. So come along with us. Picking up some last minute beach chairs. Although we have a blanket, we technically don't need it. That's it.
No, there's no way this is this low. Bro.
Yeah, it is.
Look, I'm on the ground. I might as well be on the sand if I'm right. This shit is wild low.
Yeah. All right, let's get these then.
My bucket? Yeah.
No, let's get these. Yeah.
Yeah, this is.
Look at this.
Here, let me get on there. You record. You want me to record?
Because why are we testing out chairs right now?
Tell us about the features on this one.
Dude, this is a rocking chair.
Should be
Put
rocking.
the camera down a bit.
Hold on. Look at her. She's rocking on that. That's a fire chair.
Fire.
How much is that bad boy?
$90 something dollars.
93. Let me try it out. Let me see. How I look on this bad boy. Oh my god, I love it.
Yeah.
This is so nice. Cool stuff on the block too.
Yeah. Fire.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like I'll really fuck the streets up with it. But you know what?
We didn't have breakfast, so before we hop on the train, we're getting some glizzies. sun. We didn't get in the water at all. It was wickedly cold. But it was fun, relaxing. It's still really nice. Like, it feels calm.
So, as our beach day is coming to an end, we're gonna go grab something to eat first. We're at this spot called Caracas, and they sell like arepas and empanadas and stuff like that. We got these La Neoyorquina Mexican ice creams. Coconut. There's an actual, you can see it. The actual piece of a coconut in there.